everybody, welcome back to my channel, Life with Lo. Thank you for stopping by. And if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be part of my family. So in today's video, I'm going to take you guys behind the scenes of this crazy fridge. You know, it's not as bad as I thought, really, because I did do a deep cleaning back in December, in the holidays, before the holidays, because you know family comes over to open the fridge. I was like, oh my gosh, it's a mess, let me clean it. So I cleaned it. So like 5 months later, it's not as bad as I thought. So but I'm like, you know what, I need to clean. I'm gonna try to do this every 6 months and clean the fridge so it won't be so bad during Christmas this year. So I'm gonna take you along with it. A disclaimer, we are gonna go food shopping. I feel like my fridge has nothing. I cleaned it before doing this intro, so I know what happened. But there was a lot of stuff that I did not need in this fridge. Some of the stuff that we don't use, I'm just gonna put on the fridge that's inside the garage. So yeah, so just let you know, we are gonna go food shopping. We're not starving ourselves. Do you see me? I'm not starving. But we're definitely gonna be going food shopping. But I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this gives you a motivation to clean your fridge. Your fridge probably looks beautiful. Your fridge probably looks nasty like mine. So let's get this video started. And please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, let's get started.
Since I met you, I didn't know it, that underneath it all, you started something. On a Saturday night, I was doing just fine. I was out on my own, didn't want nobody else. Then I opened my eyes and I put down my pride. I was holding you closer than anybody else. When the lights go out, it's you. So pick me up when you're done working. You know that I wanna see you're worth it. The way you treat me, I'm undeserving. Every day I'm with you, I think you're perfect. On a Saturday night, I was doing just fine. I was out on my own, didn't want nobody else. Then I opened my eyes and I put down my saying all the same, but some things never change. I couldn't stop and say enough. It's all the same, but you won't take blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. So come on, let me show you how. It's all the same, but some things never change. I couldn't stop and say enough. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. So come on, let me show you how.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, cleaning my fridge, organizing. I am so happy you stay tuned till the end. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below. Also, I have no idea why that Coke is there. Me and George never drink Coke, but this quarantine has gotten us to drink some Coke. But thank you so much. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks so much. Till the next one. Bye.